here with James. James's son. What's your name?
Shelly.
What?
Shelly.
Shelly. What's your name?
DJ.
DJ. Oh, that's his name too. That's DJ.
I'm DJ.
All right, so these guys were like so cool. They helped keep the property clean. They're the neighbors here at 110 10th Street. So we're negotiating. What they did was they took all the 2x4s that we had extra and they put in the garage. They keep the property clean. They watch the property. Today's Friday, and I have to pay them. So he's gonna give me a price. So you know, we're waiting for the price.
Okay. I'm waiting for the price.
I
I'm gonna run it, and I'm gonna let you run it.
I was talking to my father about it, and my estimate was at least between 1,000.
Wow.
No, that's not even what we spoke about.
James, come back up.
Yeah, no, exactly.
I know what James is trying to do. He's trying to get you to practice so that you could, work on your own, and that's good. But that's what all fathers do. But go ahead, James. Give us the number.
Yeah, no, you go ahead.
Come on, James. Come over here. Come. Look at the camera.
It will be 650.
650.
Right.
Yo, how you say 1,000 something? He said 650. Wow. You trying to give my money to the Dominican girls? He's trying to give my money to the Dominican girls.
Hold it. Back up. You know why it's 650? Because we don't have a dumpster here yet to put the rest of the stuff in.
Right. Yo, but let me tell you, I appreciate your crew. You guys are really good. I want to use you guys on all the jobs. They come ready. They got their safety jackets. They come with their gloves. I respect these guys, and I really thank you, bro. I thank you guys, and everything looks good. This is like one of the best properties that's always clean. The other properties are clean, but these guys, they come in every day. They clean up, and they take care of business. And I don't have a check. I got cash today.
Oh, they happy.
I got cash today.
Oh, they like that shit. Look at them.
You gonna spend it tonight?
Blow it up, yeah. Yeah, they're gonna blow it tonight.
Blow it tonight?
Yeah.
What?
He gonna go give it to the Dominican girl. He gonna give it to his girl.
Talking about the
And
Dominican,
me, I had to go pay a phone bill.
talking about the Dominican girl, I'm actually trying to get her into the U.S.
You gonna marry her?
That's her plans right now.
Oh, that's cool. She has kids? She has
No,
kids?
she doesn't.
As soon as she comes, you gotta give her like 2 kids. Quick.
I won't mind.
He gotta let his daddy check it out first.
What? Wait, hold on, wait. Who?
Daddy gotta,
What are you talking about, dude?
daddy gotta check it out first. Daddy gotta ride it first.
Nah,
Then he can have it.
You can't.